way. Now I'm gonna sell I'll just sell this B first. All right, buying the John Deere B right here. Buying this John Deere B. Now think it again. Put unpainted John Deere B with fenders. Okay. All right, right here. Now think it again. Buying the next one right there and put no serial number. I can't read the serial number on it. All right, right here. Now think it again. Now $1,000. Have it $1,000. $203. I'm a 200. Other bit 3. Pretty bid. I'm a 200. Other bit 300. Other bit 3. You bit 300. Other bit 2 3. I'm a 200. Other bit 3. Pretty bid. I'm a 200. Other bit 300. Other bit 400. Other bit 500. Other bit 500. I'm a 500. Other bit 500 bid. I'm a 500. Other bit 40. You bit 500. Other bit 500. I'm a 45. I'm a 400. Other bit 500. Other bit 5 4. Guys, think about the fenders on it are probably worth what I got bid on it. 400, 4.5. I'm at a 400. Other bit 4 450. I'm a 400 and a half. I'm at a 40. You want to get 4.5. Do you want to get 4 450? Do you want to get 4.5? Do you want to get 4.5? 4.5. I'm at 400 and a half. I'm at a 40. You want to get 4.5? I'm at a 40. You want to get 4 450? I'm at 400 and a half. Hey Rick, $450 for an old B with fenders on it? You get $400 out of the fenders.
Okay.
You want to get 4 1/4? 400, 4 1/4. 400, 4 1/4. You want to get 4 1/4? 4 1/4. 4 1/4. 400, 4 1/4. Do you want to get 40? You want to get 25? 4 1/4. Anybody else? 4 1/4. Oh, I thought you were 400. I thought you waved to me at 400. You still 350? Are you still 350? He said he didn't bid 350, 400. That'll be 400. I thought you waved to me when you come around there. 400, 400, 370, 400. Now half, 4.5, 4.5. I was hung up for a minute, Rick, but now I'm not. 4.5, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 400 and a quarter. How about a 400? Other bit 25, did you get 4 1/4? Sold it to you, Dickie. $400, number 6. $400, number 6. Now we got a good B styled with the battery box. They got that little piece right there. You can read the serial number on this one. All right, right here. Now somebody get 1,500. How about a 15? Did you get 15? How about 15? Give 1,000. I'm a 1,000. Did you get 1,000? Did you get 1,000? Did you get 500? How about a 500? Did you get 5? Give 5. And get 500. Did you get 2 3? I'm a 200. Did you get 300? Did you get 400? Did you get 400? Did you get 40? Did you get 400? Did you get 4 3.5 4? I'm a 400 and a half. I'm at a 40. You want to get 4.5? Did you get 4 450? Dale, you went in there 4.5. Now 500. How about a 500? Did you get 5 5 to bid? I'm a 4.5 and now 5 5 to bid. Did you get 500? Did you get 500? Did you get 5? Dickie, do you want back in 500? I'm at 4.5 and now 5. You want to get 475? 450 75. I'm at 450 475. I'm at 475. I'm at 475. 100 5.5. I'm at 5 5.5. 550 now 600 and a half. I'm at 600 and a half now 7 now 7 7 to bid now half. I'm at 700. You get 7 7. I did you get 7.5. I'm at 7 7.5. I'm at 7 7.5. 750. I'm at 700. Other bit 7 750. I'm at 700. Other bit 7 750. And I'll tell you this, John Deere never got off the ground if it hadn't been for the B. 7.5. I'm at 700 and a half. I'm at 7 7. I did you get 7. I did you get 7 750. Do you want to get 7 1/4? I'm at 700 and a quarter. I'm at 725. Did you get 25? Other bit get 700 and a quarter. I'm at 700 and a quarter. I'm at 725. Did you get 700? Other bit get 25. Did you get 7 725? Did you get 25? Other bit get 7 1/4. Here we go. 700 and a quarter. Sold it to you, $700, $29, $700, $29. Now we got a John Deere M, and all the parts and the head are laying right there. You buy her just like you see her right there. Somebody a little hard to find tractor. Somebody get 2,000. I'm a 2,000. Everybody get 2 to bid. I'm a 2,000. Everybody get 2. Give 2. I'm a $1,000. I'm a 1,000. Everybody get 1,000. Everybody get 500. I'm a 500. Everybody get 5 2 3. I'm a 200. Everybody get 300. Everybody get 3. Now 4. I'm at 400. Everybody get 4. Now 5 500. Everybody get 4.5 5. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at 5.5. Did you get 5 550? Do you want to get 5 5.5? I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at 5 5.5. Did you get 5? Do you want to get 5.5? Everybody get 5 550. I'm at 500 and a half. I'm at 5 5 1/4. Do you want to get 5 5 1/4? Do you want to get 5 5 1/4? Everybody get 5 5 1/4. I'm at 500 and a quarter. I'm at 5 5 1/4. Do you want to get 5 5 1/4 on the M? 5 1/4. Do you want to do it? 5 1/4. I'm at 500 and a quarter. I'm at 5 5 1/4. Do you want to get 5 5 1/4? Everybody get 5 5 1/4. Everybody get 5 5 1/4. Everybody get 500 and a quarter.
Good idea.
Sold it $500, $196. $500, $196.
Now I'll say a choice of beds off the trailer.
Some J&M
J&M 250s. Could be something to pick corn in there. Choice out of the two up, and then we'll sell the trailer. And no trailer, but we're buying choice out of the two. All right, buying choice out of the two here. Now, so they get $500, and they get $500, they get $500, give two, $200, $300, and they get $500, they get $3, $3 to bid, they get down $3, they get $3, and they get $3, $2 and a half, and they get $50, they get $5, and they get $5, and they get $2 and a half, and get to be $3, it's gonna have you $300, Charlie, $300, now $275, I'll take that from you, and now $300, and you get $3 and a quarter, $3 to get $20, $20 get a quarter, and now half, $3 and a quarter, $3 and a half, $3 and a quarter, half at $75, $375, I'm at $350, to get $75, $375 and $400, now $400, and you get $100, you want to get $385, sir, $385, and you get $700, to get $385, $385, sold it $375,
Takes the back.
222, wasn't it? 222 takes the back one with the ladder. Takes one with the ladder. I don't think that one's got one.
It's in a little better shape than this one.
Yeah. You got this one left. Buying this one left.
100 and a half.
100 and a half, 2. You get 2, sir. I'm a 2, 2, 1 and a half. You want to get 175, 175, 150. You got 150 here. 175, 175 and 2. I'm a 2, 2, 2 to bid. $200 now. 2, 2, 2. You want to get 185, 185, 185, 185, 185. You can come back. 185. And you get 85. You want to do it? 185, 185, $185, 185, 170. Get 185, Raymond in there, 185, 185, you get 185, 185, 175, you get 85, sold at $175, and that is bid number 110, 110. Now, I'll say the semi-trailer, buying the little trailer. All right, no title, you're buying the trailer there, and then you get here, so they get $200, and you get 2 to bid, now so they get $100, and you get $100, they get on 150, 75, 75 and 100, down 1, 1, 1, 1, 85 and 100, and you get home to get a quarter, how many, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half, 1 and a quarter, half, 1 and a half, and 75, 175, and now 2, now a quarter, and you get a quarter, to get a half, I'm at 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, and 75, I'm at 2, 75 and 3, 3, to get a quarter, to get a quarter, now half, I'm at 3 and a quarter, 3 and a half, I'm at 3 and a 75, 375 and 4, 400, to get a 4, down 4, 385, do you want to do that? 385, I'm at 3 to get 50, to get 4, down 4, $400, and to get 5 to get 4, $400, you to get 390, I'll take that from you, 390, 390, 390, 90, and to get 90, out of the bid, 390, 385, 390, out of the bid, and to get 90, 390, do you want to do it? 390, to get 30, get 90, get 90, out of the bid, sold them 385, number 6, man, not bad, okay. All right, now I'll sell you.
Sell the truck toolbox with the truck frame.
I'll sell you the truck toolbox and frame, motor and transmission. You got it. All right, here. Get $500, get 5, get 2, get 2, 50, 75, 75 and 100. I'm at 1 and a quarter. I'm at 1 and a quarter, 1 and a quarter. You get 1 and a quarter. And now half. I'm at 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. I'm 75, 175, 150, 175, 150. You get 75, get 75, 175 and 2, 200, get 2, and you get 2, 185. Now 2, 200, get 2, get 2, 200, do to get 2, do you want to do to get 2, and to get 2, 185, $200, down 2, 185 to get 2, and to get anything else, and to get 185 to get 2, to get 185 to get 2 to bid, sold at 185, 122, 122. Now you got a John Deere disc.
Oh boy.
It's like an RW or
I think it's a BWA, isn't it?
BWA.
Isn't it a BWA, Dickie?
RW.
RW. Okay, and I'll sell you the
John Deere RW disc.
And I'll sell you the little drag there
Yep, the drag
with it
goes
too.
with it.
All right, buying the John.
Hey, does somebody want that drag
okay,
separate?
we'll sell it separate.
Yeah, I figured they might, pal.
Okay,
I hate
buying
to
the
tell
disc.
you that.
All right.
So buy just the disc.
Buying just the disc. All right, get $500, get 5, get 2, and get 2, give 100. I want the disc, $100. Now 50, 75, and 100. Now 1, now 1.
Yep.
And you get a quarter, 1 and a quarter, 1 and a quarter,
Yep.
1 and a quarter, half, 1 and a half. How many 1 and a quarter,
Yep.
1 and a half? 75, 175, 150, 175. You got 60, you got 60, 160. How many 1?
You got me now.
160, yeah,
Over here.
yes sir, 160.
You want in
Now
there,
75, gotta be 175 and 2. Gotta be 200 to get a 2, 2 to get a 2. And
Yeah.
to get a quarter, to get a quarter. Now
The beard right there.
to get a quarter. I'm a 2 to get a quarter, to get a quarter, to get a quarter, to get a quarter, to get 10, 10 at a bit, 210. Sold it, $200 number. What is it? 131. 131.
Now the
Go
drag.
drag. Got a little drag. Now it's going to get $50. Going to get 50 again. Going to get 25. You get $5 for it. 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, you get 5. I'm at 20, 25. Now 30, 30 to bin. You get 30, 20, 20, get 30. Now 30. I'm at 20, 20, get 30, 30 to bin. 20, 20, get now 30. You get 30, 20, 20, get down. You get 30, 30, now 5. 30, 20, get 40. And you get 40, 45, 45, now $50 down, 50 down, $60 down, 60. And now 70, now 75, 75, 75, 60, 75, and you get 85, and you get 85, and you get 85, and you get 85, 85, and you get 85, and you get 85, reach 85 and 100. And you get 50, and you get 90, and you get 80, and you get 90, and you get 80, and you get down, 90, and you get 80, and you get down, 90. Sold at $85. She showed you. What's that bid number?
68.
68. Bid number 68, Mary.
Mary, just stay right there. You got another disc.
Okay, I'll say that's a little newer though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that one? Is that an RWA?
No, it's B something.
B something. BWA probably.
Okay.
John Deere BWA wing disc.
Oh, got a wing disc.
Tell her John Deere BWA wing disc.
John Deere BW wing disc. Got a wing disc. All right, here. Let me get here. Right there now. So they're going to get $800. And to get paid, $8 a bid now. So they're going to get $800. Yeah, he's going to get $500.
Are you going to put the drag with it?
I guess not. No, we'll sell those separate.
Well,
Find just the disc. Find just the disc. All right, there.
It's out with its brackets are still on the disc.
Okay, I guess it is going with it. Now, so to get $800, $200, $300, and get 3, now to get 3, now to get 3, 2 and a half, 3, 3, 3, 3 and a half, and to get 3, 3, 3 and a half, to get 50, to get 3, to get 5, to get 3, to get 5, 3, 3, 3 and a half, to get 50, I'm at 3, 3, 3 and a half, to get 4, 4, 400, now half, I want to get 50, now $500, 5, and to get 5 to bin, 400, to get 5 to bin, 5, 5, 475, 450, 475, having a 450, to get 75, 475, having a 450, 475, 450, to get 75, having 450, 475, 475, having 450, to get 70, 450, to get 70, 450, to get 70, 450, to get 75, so it's $450, put them on buyer number.
131.
131.
How? I'd say just catch the back row. Just stay right there, Mary. We'll tell you what it is. John Deere 1600 chisel plow.
John Deere 1600 chisel plow.
Say it again to her.
John Deere 1600 chisel plow. You're fine. I'm going to John Deere 1600 chisel plow. All right there. Now it's going to get $1,000. And you get $500. And you get $5, $200, $300. Down 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Going to be 4, 4. Down 5. And you get 5, 6. I'm at $600. Now 5, 5, 6, 6, 500, 67. Now 8. And you're going to get back to the 7, and you get 8. And you get 8. Nice. Got it. 7, and you get 8. And you get 7, 7, half. Now you get 50. You get 50. I'm at 7, 7, 7 and a half. And you get now 7, 7 and a half. And you get 50. And he's going to get 50 bid. Here we go. 7, 7 and a half. So you get 50 bid. 7, 7, 7 and a half. So you get 50. Sold it. $700.
Right there.
131. 131. Now, guys, we'll just catch these last two pieces in this back row.
John Deere, or it's not a John Deere. Montgomery Ward, I think, isn't it? Dickie, is it Montgomery Ward?
I heard these co-ops.
Okay, co-op.
Co-op. Got a co-op gear.
That's what I
Find a
heard.
co-op running gear. I'll give $200, give 100. Then I get 50, 50, 50, 25, 50. And I get 50, 50, 50. Then I get 50, get 50, get 75, 75. 50, so you get 60. $50, $60, 60, 50, 60, 60, 75, 70. I'm going to get 85. You get 80, what's that? Yes,
Hey, Hal.
85.
Hey, Hal. This is breaking my heart. I can't get the safety pin out. I have to let that hitch pin go with it.
Get a hitch pin with it. 70, going to get 85. Going to get 85. 85. Going to get 85. 85. And going to get 75. Going to get 85. Going to get 75. Going to get 85. Going to get 75. 85. Going to get 85. Going to get 75. 85. Sold it. $75. 68. Number 68.
Old John Deere loader.
We got a John Deere loader. Hydraulic too, isn't it? All right. John Deere.
Bucket strip.
Oh, okay, bucket strip. Oh, there we go. All right, there, find a John Deere loader. So you get $200, give 100. You get 50, 50, 25, 25, you get 50, 35, 35, 50, 50, 30, you get 50, you get out 60, $50, $60, you get it 60, 60, 50, 60, 75, 75, now 70, you get home with a bid one, and you get home with a bid one, and you get 100, and you get 90, I'll take that from you. Down there, you get 80, 90, and you get 80, 90, and you get 80, down 90, you get 80, down 90, get down 90.
We don't need that, do we?
All right, now got a sprayer, got a little sprayer.
Yep, nice little
Good,
sprayer.
yeah, pretty nice little sprayer.
And it's
Good
got
tank
all
on
your
it.
tips and stuff are in here.
Got all the tips and everything there with
Tires are
300-gallon
good on it.
tank.
Tires are
Pretty
good
good
on
looking
it.
little sprayer.
Yeah, it is.
All right, there, so they give $1,000. And they get downtown to bid. Now so they get $500. And they get $500, they get 5, give 5, so they get $200 too. All right, but they get 50, so they get down 3, so they get 4, 4, 4, and they get 4. And they get 5, they get 3, they get 4, 4, down 4, $400 now 3, they get 4, 4, 30, get a 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 4. And you get 3, 3 and a half. And you get 50, 3 and a half. I'm at 3, you get 3 and a half. Pretty cute little sprayer. 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter, 3 and a quarter, 30 and a quarter, and you get quarter to base. 30 and a quarter. I'm at 3 and a quarter, 30 get where you're at. 3 and a quarter, and you get 30, you get quarter to base. 3 and a quarter to base. 3 and a quarter to base. 3 and a quarter. Sold it. $300. 194. I got a good Killbros, yeah.
Kory gear with a Kory
gear on it.
Yep.
Got 375 Killbros. All right there, got a hitch pin right there.
Yep.
Extendable tongue. All right there, now so they get $2,000, give $1,000. And they get time to bid, now so they get $500, $600. All right, finally get a 6 to bid, $500 down, so they get 6 to bid, 6 to get 7, 7 to get 8, now 8, now 9, now $1,000, 11. And they get 11 to bid, 12, now 13, 13 to get 14 to get 15, now 17 and a half. 15 to get 17 and a half now. 15 to get 17 and get $2,000 and to get 22 and a half. And to get now 5, 25, $2,500 now 25, 25 and to get to bid to get 25 now 7 and a half, 27 and a half, 2,500 to get 7, you to get 26, 25 to get 6, 7 to bid and $27 and to get 7 to bid 7 and 8, 28, 20 to get 7 to get 8 and to get 27 to get to bid now 7 to get to bid 28 now 7 to get to bid 20 to get down 7 to get 8, $2,800. I'm going to 20 to get 8, 28, 20 to get to bid 28. Sold it $2,700.
Yeah. Are you guys?
It'll haul them $12 beans to town. 204. All right now.
Got a manure spreader, miscellaneous manure spreader.
Got a manure spreader. All right, take it down, so take it down, give $200, give 2, give 100, and give on the base, and give 50, $5, $10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, get 5, 25, and 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, get 50, better to bid, 50. All right, 40, 50, do you want to do it? 40, 50, 50, 75, 75 and 100, I'm at the phone, did you give on? Gonna give 85, 85, 70, give 80, 75, 85, and give 75, give 80, give 80, 75, 85, sold at $75, 1, 2, 2.
Hey Hal, I think this is a running gear out of an airport. That's what I call it on the sale.
Oh, they haul,
What about this? Does anybody want the wood separate?
anybody want the wood separate? You got loading
You got a loading ramp.
and
All the wood
racks.
goes with it.
All the wood goes with it.
Yep.
Running gear and
I
all
would
the
call it
wood.
an airport running gear because I think it's an old luggage running gear from an airport.
All right, now what do you get here? Now what do you here? Give so they get $300. Did you get 2? Give 100. And they give on. So they get $50. 50, 10, 20, $20, $30. And they get 30, 30. They get 40 now. 40, 40, 40. They get 50. But bid 40, 50. And now 75. Now 60, $60, $50, $60. And now 75, 75 and 85. Now 100. And now quarter. He said it. 1 and a quarter. What again? To give on 10. 110. 110. 900 to the bid. 110. 10. 110. Sold at $100. 42, right?
42.
Number 42.
Grain bin,
Holding
Hal.
bin, don't
Just
we?
a holding bin.
Yeah, wet
Yep.
tank. And to get behind the bin. Yeah. All right, there, got a holding bin. All right, get $500. And get $5, get 2, and get $200. Get 50, 75. 75, gonna be 75 and 100. Now a quarter. 1 and a quarter, 1 and a half. 75. 175 and 2. I'm a 2 and a quarter. 2 to get a half. Now 75. 275. Now 275. Now 75 and 3 and a quarter. And you get no quarter to bid. Then you get no quarter. I'm 3 and a quarter. 3 quarter to bid. 3 and a quarter. $300. Then you get quarter to bid.
Dickie, hold on.
3 and a quarter.
Dickie, 3 and a quarter.
3 and a quarter.
No.
I'll take 310 from you. 310, 310.
You want back in?
310. Sold it $300, man.